Hi, I'm Rennie, and you're watching Expedition 1 TV. It's been a while. Feels good to be back. Today, I'm gonna rock your world. We're gonna be installing the Core Series front bumper for the Jeep Wrangler JK. Don't believe me? Stay tuned. But before we get started, let's make sure we've got everything ready for the install. So we've got some fog light mounts, some fairlead mounts, some necessary hardware, and then you're gonna want a good socket set and some wrenches. Wrenches are vital. And then, last but not least, we've got the Core Series bumper. Isn't it so pretty? And that's all we need. We're ready to go. First things first, we want to remove the stock bumper, starting with the plastic air dam. Now on this vehicle, we've actually already removed the plastic air dam, but do not worry, I will not leave you hanging. I promise I will show you how to remove it on this vehicle. So you've got these screws on the air dam that are plastic, so you have to be really careful because if you press too hard as you're unscrewing it, you're gonna strip them. So we're gonna do this like so. And I'm just literally being really, really gentle. I'm not putting any pressure on this. We're just gonna keep on screwing. So if that's not working for you or if the screws are stripped, you can always try this. Ah, yes! So, we've got this handy dandy socket wrench. We're gonna use this mother to undo these 8 nuts that we've got back here. Oh, it's so exciting. And unclip this fog light. If I can get it unclipped, there we go. So, after the nuts are undone and the wiring harness is unclipped, we can now take off the bumper. Rock on! Shaw! So, after you've taken off the stock bumper, you want to make sure that the OEM wiring harness is unclipped and tucked out of the way. Also, if you're installing a Ruby skid, this is a great time to cut off the bash bar. Before we put on our new bumper, we've got to get our OEM fog lights ready. So we've got those out of our stock bumper. And we have to make sure that we cut off this little mounting tab right here. You can do that with either a hacksaw, a Dremel tool, or if you're really cool, you can do it with a razor blade. I'm not that cool. I'm gonna use this guy right here. Just go like this. Come on! Come on. Oh, nice. Okay, now we're ready to go. Okay, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. We're gonna put this bad boy on. Oof. Gotta kind of lean it back. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna finish up by putting this dog bone and these bolts like so. Beautiful. Now we're going to tighten these guys. Make sure they're getting tight. Okay, now we've got our fog light and our dog bone. We're gonna slip this in right here. Yes. Beautiful. Now we are going to install our fairlead plate and our winch, but the type of fairlead plate you use depends on which type of winch you're gonna have. If you're wondering which fairlead plate to use, measure the motor end of the winch, like so. And if it's 7 inches or less, like so, you're gonna use this fairlead plate, which is like that. And if it's longer than 7 inches, like so, you're gonna use this one, like so. Now I'm putting on the roller fairlead. Tighten it up really quick. That off all the way. And there it is. So once you've got your bumper installed, check your bolts, see if they're tight, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Whee!